Is your kitchen overdue for a powerful upgrade? Introducing the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender. From pulverizing nuts and seeds to effortlessly producing consistent results, the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender shines where other appliances struggle. This powerhouse blender comes equipped with a commercial-grade 2.25 peak horsepower motor that easily handles your toughest kitchen tasks. With a double housing design, heavy-duty plastic base, and soft-touch handle, the Hurricane Blender is not only ultra-quiet, but incredibly easy to use. Press a button on the illuminated LCD display to choose low, high, or pulse, or press the pre-programmed setting for smoothie or ice crush. The tight seal lid comes with a 2-ounce removable measuring cup and allows liquids to be added directly into the blender jar when in operation. Automatic load sensing technology means this smart blender knows when to adjust blending strength based on the amount of food added to the 60-ounce BPA-free Tritan jar, so your preset functions produce consistent results every time. The refined finish comes in gunmetal gray and complements your kitchen style without compromising the high-quality operation and efficiency expected from a Cuisinart blender. Professional-grade power, ultra-quiet operation, and ease of use are just a few of the reasons the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender blows the competition away. Give your kitchen the powerful upgrade it deserves by adding the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender to your culinary arsenal.
power, technology, and value come together with the Oster Versa High-Performance Blender. The Oster Versa Blender harnesses the power of multiple appliances in one awesome mega machine. With its ample power, the Oster Versa Blender extracts more of the life-enriching nutrients in your favorite fruits, veggies, nuts, and more for fresh, healthy foods your whole family will love. The Versa patented dual-direction blade technology ensures the total extraction of food's vital elements while delivering perfect food processing every time. And our durable all-metal drive is guaranteed for life. Plus, a top-to-bottom 7-year customer satisfaction guarantee provides long-lasting confidence and worry-free operation. The perfect blend of power, technology, and performance, all in one incredibly versatile appliance. Get one today and get more goodness from your food.